Parents, have you ever had one of those mornings when you're just trying to get things done, but your child is clinging to you like a koala on a eucalyptus tree? It has happened to the best of us. But today, we're diving into the strategies that will help your clingy child gain independence. So, if you're ready to wave goodbye to the clingy chaos and hello to more peaceful mornings, stick around. This video is for you. I am Dr. Taniesha Burke, your positive parenting coach, and welcome to our channel. Parenting is a remarkable journey filled with moments of joy, love, and growth. As your child grows, you may encounter periods where they become clingy and struggle with separation. While it's natural for children to seek comfort and security from their parents, understanding the underlying causes of clinginess can help you support your child's journey towards independence. In this video, we'll explore practical strategies to help your clingy child gain confidence and develop the skills necessary for navigating the world independently. To begin, let's look at the causes of clinginess. Clinginess in children can be influenced by various factors, and recognizing these causes can provide valuable insights into addressing the issue effectively. So let's look at the most common reasons why. The first reason is developmental stages. Clinginess often peaks during specific developmental stages such as toddlerhood or early school years. These periods are characterized by significant growth and changes in their cognitive, emotional, and social abilities, leading to increased attachment to parents as a source of security. The second reason is separation anxiety. Separation anxiety is a common phenomenon in early childhood, typically manifesting between ages 8 months and 18 months. It occurs when children become distressed when separated from their primary caregivers. This anxiety can persist beyond the expected age range, impacting a child's willingness to separate from their parents. The third reason is environmental factors. Major life changes such as moving to a new home, starting a new school, or experiencing the absence of a loved one can contribute to clinginess in children. These disruptions can disrupt their sense of stability and security, leading them to seek additional comfort and reassurance from their parents. And the final causes of a child's clinginess is parental reaction. Parents' responses to their child's clinginess can inadvertently reinforce the behavior. If parents consistently give in to their child's demands or become overly anxious themselves when separating, it can inadvertently reinforce the belief that separation is unsafe or uncomfortable. By understanding the potential causes of clinginess, you can approach the situation with empathy and targeted strategies to support your child's emotional well-being and foster their independence. In the second half of this video, we'll explore the practical techniques that can help your child gradually overcome clinginess and develop the necessary skills for independence. By implementing these strategies, you can empower your child to face new experiences with confidence, resilience, and a sense of security. Remember, every child is unique and progress may take time. Your consistent support and understanding will play a vital role in helping your child to thrive. The first step in addressing clinginess is to empathize with your child's feelings. Recognize that their clinginess stems from a genuine need for security and reassurance. Validating their emotions help them feel understood and accepted, creating a foundation of trust between you and your child. Our second tip is to encourage gradual separation. Start by introducing small, manageable periods of separation. For example, when your child feels clingy, encourage them to engage in independent play while you remain nearby. Gradually increase the distance and duration as they become more comfortable. This gradual approach allows your child to develop trust in their ability to handle separation. Our third tip is to establish routine and predictability. Children thrive on routine and predictability. Create a consistent daily schedule that includes specific times for independent activities such as playtime, reading, or drawing. Knowing what to expect helps children feel secure and eases the transition into independent play or time away from you. Our fourth tip is to foster self-reliance. Empower your child to become more self-reliant by giving them age-appropriate responsibilities. Encourage them to dress themselves, tidy up their toys, or make simple choices about their meals. These small tasks foster a sense of autonomy and confidence, gradually reducing their dependence on you. Our fifth tip is to build a supportive network. Expose your child to positive social interactions with peers and other trusted adults. engage in activities where they can interact with other children, such as playdates or group classes. This allows them to develop social skills, build relationships, and realize they can rely on others besides you for support and companionship. Our sixth tip is to develop separation rituals. Create special rituals or routines that signify the separation process. For example, you could have a goodbye hug, a special phrase or gesture that signals you will return. These rituals provide a sense of comfort and predictability, making the separation easier for your child. Our seventh tip is to maintain consistency. Consistency is key when helping your child overcome clinginess. Be reliable and follow through on promises. If you say you'll be back by a certain time, make sure you're punctual. Consistency builds trust and reinforces the notion that separation is temporary and manageable. And our final tip is to offer words of encouragement. Praise your child's efforts and achievements, especially when they successfully separate from you or engage in independent activities. Use positive reinforcement to highlight their growing independence, which reinforces their confidence and motivates them to continue exploring the world around them. Helping your clingy child gain independence requires patience, understanding, and a gradual approach. By validating their emotions, establishing routines, fostering self-reliance, and offering support, you can guide your child towards developing confidence and resilience. Parents, please remember, every child is unique and the journey to independence will vary. So, stay attuned to your child's needs and celebrate their progress along the way. With your guidance, they will navigate the path to independence and growth into capable, confident individuals. We're now at the end of the video of looking at how you can support your child who is experiencing clinginess. We hope this information provided value for you and you found it informative. Now, if it's the first time you're visiting or you're a returning visitor to our channel and you're not a subscriber, we encourage you to subscribe. When you subscribe and hit the notification bell, you will be alerted to future videos. Also, please share this video with friends or family who you believe may benefit from the content. Thank you so much for joining us, and goodbye for now.